during the winter periods down in Skagit, this is more of what we see there. So they are spending a lot of time on agricultural lands, and during the first part of the season, it seems like they're targeting things like residual, waste crop like potatoes or cob corn from silage corn operations. And in the later part of the season, it seems they're more targeting this protein-rich new growth from, winter wheat, rye, or other pasture grasses.
What's in that field on the upper left,
That looks like it could be cob corn they're getting into from harvested silage field methods. Mainly consisted of deploying these GPS, GSM collars. The GSM part means that the collars are able to connect to a void, and 13 of those individuals returned. Most of them migrated between March 13th and March 20th, 2024. And as I mentioned, 13 of them actually returned back to Washington in the fall of 2024. 5 of them we lost contact with shortly after their migration began, and 1 we have a confirmed mortality that we were able to recollect the collar from. The yellow stars denote where multiple birds summered, and the orange stars denote where 1 bird we recorded summering there. So it's not necessarily that they were paired, it's just that they summered in a very close proximity to one